Let's bring in ABC's Zohreen Shah for more. It sounds like President Biden is recovering quickly, Zohreen, and he's even set to give virtual remarks today. How's he been keeping busy during isolation?
Yeah, he's been keeping pretty busy, Kira. So those virtual remarks come just after noon today. He'll be speaking to the National Organization of Black Law Enforcement Executives Conferences. The White House says he's improved significantly. You heard Terry talk about his symptoms right there. This is day 4 of his isolation, and he'll return back to work on Wednesday if he tests negative. His doctor says that he likely has that BA.5 variant. Of course, that's the incredibly contagious variant that about 80% they estimate 80% of people around the country have. And since Saturday, I thought this part was really interesting. There have been 0 cases, 0 positive cases from people, the 17 people closest to him. The First Lady is in Delaware. And we just learned moments ago that the other Joe Manchin, has tested positive as well. He's tweeted this morning, "I tested positive for COVID-19. I am fully vaccinated." He says he is boosted as well, and he's experiencing mild symptoms. And he says he will isolate and follow guidelines as he continues to work remotely.
All right. Yep. It seems like everybody is getting it, Zohreen. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer also saying he's going to bring the House-passed bill to protect marriage equality to the floor. Democrats need 10 Republican senators to get on board. Do they have the votes?
Not yet. Okay, but we'll see if that actually happens. It's been 1 month since Roe was reversed, and Congress they're trying to codify same-sex marriage now, interracial marriage. There's a fear that abortion was the first of many reversals at the Supreme Court. Just last week, the House voted to codify marriage equality. They had 47 Republicans on their side. One very prominent name they had on their side was Liz Cheney. Her sister is gay. She's historically been against this, but she changed her tune in recent years. She said over the weekend, freedom means freedom for everybody. The big question, of course, you pose, do Democrats have 10 Republicans? Well, you have some senators who have been very vocal about it. Marco Rubio from the state of Florida, of course, he says it's, quote, a stupid waste of time. Ted Cruz told our Rachel Scott that very little has passed in the Democratic House that he would support. So we'll see if they actually garner their 10 votes. But the number 2 in the Senate, he tells ABC that he would not be surprised if enough GOPs supported that bill. So we'll see.
Well, you just mentioned it's been a month. It's been 30 days since Roe was overturned. Let's just talk about how some things have changed since then.
So you have states like Colorado, states like New Mexico, and they're seeing this massive influx in patients ever since Roe was reversed. Look, before Roe was reversed, the Guttmacher Institute says that 9% of people who were getting abortions were actually going outside of the state to get them. So some states are now saying they're seeing numbers that they simply have not seen before. Colorado says their wait times in some cases at some clinics are up to a month, and that women are traveling especially far to get the treatment that they need. They've been also seeing an influx in phone calls. They've been having to turn away certain women. And so, you know, it's a massive change in just this month. And there's one clinic in Mississippi, the only clinic that existed in Mississippi, that is now relocating to New Mexico. So we're also seeing that. Kira.
All right, Zohreen Shah, thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.